A paper chart on a chart table, a set of parallel rulers and a set of compass dividers are time-tested and widely used tools for shipboard navigation in the near past. But in modern life, ECDIS is a real-time navigation system that is replacing the need for ships to carry the paper nautical charts. An electronic chart system is much more than a simple device to reproduce a paper nautical chart on the screen. Here we are going to name some ECDIS advantages and clarify the need of proper initial ECDIS training for ship's bridge crew members. So follow me. Among the ECDIS advantages, we have the next list of the items. Using the electronic chart as an integrated navigational system means that watch officer can focus his attention on overall situational awareness without navigating to speed time running between a chart table, a position fixing device, the radar and the automatic identification system. ECDIS can display the chart sailing area on the monitor as a unique chart image for a specific vessel based on her draft. Safe and shallow water, safety contour, safety depth, and so on parameters may be selected for displaying. Only the information that officer on the watch considers important is shown on the ECDIS screen. ECDIS gives the opportunity to temporarily remove the information for the not-in-hand task. In ECDIS, the ship's symbols can sail across the electronic chart display in real time and through motion. And it's true to scale speed. The vessel's position on the electronic chart is updated every second, and the adjacent charted area is displayed. And all of that is done automatically without the need to change the charts. ECDIS can demonstrate about the chart the green-colored layer of radar echo, which could be compared to the charted coastline. The radar image should closely match the charted shoreline. ECDIS has the option to display AIS targets on the chart, each with a vector indicating directions and speed. Officer on the watch can confirm the values matching the radar echo overlay. ECDIS increases the graphical level of track-keeping control, including the planned radius of turn with expected area of deviation. Also, the mapped hazard can be distinguished on the route in time advance by the ECDIS look-ahead function. ECDIS hides chart information about display chart object, which can be easily analyzed using a simple mouse click on the chart object. Also, officer on the watch can add any additional information for the chart area or object using the marine node tool. ECDIS can display tide and current area information, weather forecasts, and many other additional handbooks that may be integrated into it. The very important benefit of the use of ECDIS is, of course, simplifying the marine chart handling and correction process. Today, this is just a process of file downloading and the file installing, instead of the huge amount of a paperwork in the past. So, ECDIS should be also seen as a decision support system for officer on the watch that contains in its memory other important navigational information in a harmonized, integrated way. Using ECDIS, the watch is not only safe, but also efficient and more economical, and it helps to avoid unnecessary costs related to paper chat services. In the simplest sense, ECDIS answers to some basic questions such as oven-ship position, obstacles and hazards to be avoided, information about other vessels, present weather conditions, and dangers along the planned route. But except ECDIS is a very useful tool on the navigational bridge, it is still a tool, a complicated part of a navigational complex. The main anti-grounding tool of the modern vessel. And that's why every officer on the watch must be initially properly trained and certified to meet the marine industry standards. Initial ECDIS training should meet the IMO 127 model course, designed to meet STCW requirements in the use of ECDIS, including the 2010 Manila Amendments. And it means that initial training is delivered during 40 hours in a 5-day period, covering 37 topics in 5 general subject areas. This course covers all basic theories about the ECDIS. It should be understood that 127 course is a generic course that requires a structured and complementary on-board ship specific ECDIS familiarization for each shipboard ECDIS system on which the navigational officer serves. As a part of ISM code regulations, officer on watch must pass an ECDIS producer specific course before joining the vessel. Only after that amount of training, bridge crew allowed to navigate using ECDIS safely